Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time you can't see my face. I don't know, I just adjusted the camera. This is my second video. And last time I did my first video and yeah, so it's really weird, but okay. So, doing slime pet peeves. Slime pet peeves. Slime pet peeves.
Drums.
Okay. And yeah, let's get on to it. And if you like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell and like the video. Please. Like, I need some support, guys. Yeah, so here we go. And yeah, first slime pet peeve is like when they put it on the slime on their face and they put the slime on their face, and now they know that slime is really sticky. So like, not really sticky, like, yeah, but like they know that slime's gonna stick to your hair, so you have to cut it all off. So like, that's really stupid. This girl's like, yeah, you get to get a mask, look. So that's really dumb.
Drums.
Yeah, okay. Pet peeve number 2. When they have it close to the camera. Let me adjust this. Just go like, oh guys, can you see my slime? It's so pretty. Look at this. Do you guys like this? Do you guys want it? Do you wish you had it? Do you guys like I don't understand really, but you know, that's just weird. Anyway, back to the video. So we're going pet peeve number 3.
Drums.
2, 3. Okay. So pet peeve number 3. When they go like, this is perfectly good slime. When they can't even stretch it. Look, like, I'm gonna pretend this is really hard slime. Like they're like, this is totally the right consistency for a slime. See, it's not even hard. See? Yeah, so that's what they do. But this is not hard. But you know, yeah. So bye.
What?